Hello everyone, and a warm, happy Independence Day, Bahamas. So, in honor of my country, Bahamas Independence Day, I've decided to do a throwback, a goodie but oldie, and it's my grandmother's native skillet cornbread. Now, this goes back to the 18th century, as journey cake was made with maize or corn. So I'm going to show you how to put it all together, and what's more important, we are going to cook this in a skillet on top of my grill today. The weather is beautiful. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like, leave me a comment, and remember to ring that little notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload new videos. If you're going, let's go. Okay, so with everything in its place, we'll start with 1 cup of flour going in, 1 cup of fine cornmeal. I have a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt. So I'm briefly just going to mix everything together. This is how easy it is to make this native skillet cornbread. So now that my ingredients are mixed together, I'm just going to make a well in the center for my wet ingredients. Okay, so I'm going in with sour cream. This is about half a cup. And then I have my coconut milk. This is 2 1/4 cups. And then I'm just going to stir to start bringing it together. Make sure I'm scraping the bottom and mixing well. And I'm here in the beautiful sunny outdoors on my patio, so we might get a little sound in there from traffic, but that's okay. So now I have my crumbled bacon. This is about 3 strips of crumbled bacon, and I've also reserved the bacon drippings. So going in the center, and I'm pretty much going to fold this in. You can omit the bacon if you have friends coming over and they don't eat pork, then by all means. Now I'm going in with a half of jalapeno peppers without the seeds because I just want the flavor from the skins. Of course, it wouldn't be cornbread without some fresh corn kernels. This is kernels taken from 1 cob, and it won't be island without some coconut flakes, and this is about a half cup of coconut flakes. Now I'm just going to fold it all in. Look at this already, guys. This looks amazing. Loaded with flavor. And now I have my skillet that has already been prepared by greasing with some butter. So I've already preheated my grill to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This cornbread is going to bake in an already greased skillet on top of my grid. And yes, it works like a charm. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, my native skillet cornbread. This recipe is near and dear to my heart as it's really a spin on a very old-time recipe we have in the Bahamas, originated from Cat Island, Bahamas, where my father was born. And that recipe was called Skin Cat from Cat Island. And we prepared this Johnny cake style cornbread on top of our burners, hence on top of our grill, so it all works just fine. So I just want to say a special shout out and thank you to my fashion stylist, Marcia. Hi, Marcy, and thank you for keeping me in summer gear from Melanie Lyne. Love this store. And also my girl, Adele Lewis, who is the Straws Queen of Canada, as she always keep me shining and blinged up with all my scarves and my chef gear. Thank you, beautiful ladies. And until next time, remember, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, nobody does it better than your island girl.